welcome back again. It's your girl Khadijat. My guys, let's quickly tie this head wrap together. The head wrap is on square shapes. Look at, just watch me. See the way I use my neck to hold the side. I bring the other side. Yeah, see the tip. I bring the other tip. It's going to form triangle. Is this triangle? Yeah, triangle. Yeah, it's going to form triangle. Look at the way I place it on my head. Look at this. Is a simple head wrap you can tie. Yes, when you are going out and you are hurry. If you place it like this one will come up again. Look at it, cross. I secure it. Yeah, this one is already secure, but I'm going to arrange it. Yeah, see the way I arrange it. Look at if you don't want the right top to show, you can tucking it in. Look at a very simple head wrap you can tie. Very quick one on daily basis. Yes, look at my Arewa people. Look at, yeah, here is this black veil. You can also use it to style it more. Yes, look at it. I'm going to twist it. I'll just twist it this way. Yeah, see the way I place it. Yes, I cross it. I collect it with this hand. Yes, just watch my hand and see. Yeah, yes, I'll just twist it well. Twist it very well. Yeah, not it by that side. You see it? Yeah, can just spice it this way. Look at it. You can spice your head wrap this way. Yeah, it will give it more uniqueness. Look at, if you have a veil, you're tucking that one in. Look at the back. Very simple. Look at, arrange and tucking in. Look at it. It's so simple, so very simple and unique. Look at, can just give it a try. Can give it a try. It fits. Turn it around. Turn it around. Bring the two wings up. Yes. Bring the two wings up. Yeah. Look at. Bring this one out. What you are going to do with this, the same veil, just place it like, let's say the veil is in 100%, just fetch like 20%. Yes, 20%. Twist it with one of the wing. Twist it. Just twist it. Or where to secure it. Then the 80%, twist again. Twist. Twist, 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 twist. Then you cross it. Twist. You twist. Find somewhere to secure it. Tucking it in. Yes. Leave this one. We'll still come back for it. Yeah. Look at this one. Just twist. 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 Because this one is going to go round, twist, twist, twist. Yes. Twist, twist, twist. All twisting. Yeah. Look at. Twist. Look at. Tucking it in there, secure it well. This one, tucking this one very well, tucking it well. If you have pin, you can use it to hold it down. If you have pin, you can hold it, arrange and hold. But if you don't have pin, you can leave it that way. Yes, if you don't have pin, you can just make it flat, let it not shoot out. Just arrange it. Look at it. So very simple. It will give your Ankara head wrap a very unique. Look at, very, very simple. I know you can tie head wrap more than me. Just start. Give it a try. You will like it. Let's look at the back. Look at the back. So simple. So simple. So simple and very unique. Mwah. Mwah. I love you guys. See you again next time. Okay. Bye. Ta-ta.